Welcome to our tutorial on how to view recent activity on Instagram. If you're looking to keep track of your latest likes, comments, tags, and more, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Now, tap on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can see your latest activity on Instagram. Here you will find a list of your recent likes, comments, tags, and more. Simply tap on the specific activity that you'd like to view in more detail. And that's it. You can now easily view your recent activity on Instagram and stay updated on all the interactions happening on your account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Instagram experience.